So put your earphones or headphones and you can listen the audio quality. This is monster here. So let me play the song. Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have something different for you. I have this DIY project for you. If you want to make DIY Bluetooth speaker of brands like JBL, so this is for you. This is JBL Flip 3 complete working accessories so that you can use your speakers and you can make your own boxes to make the Bluetooth speaker. So let me show you the connection and let me show you what you are going to get and how to connect, how to play the song, how is the quality. So I'm going to show you. This is the first time in the YouTube platform I am showing this. Nobody has shown this type of projects as of now in the YouTube. If you like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let me start. This is the JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. This is full version. This is not essential or not stealth edition. This is Flip 3 full version. The full version means this has JBL Connect. That means if you buy two sets, then you can connect those two speakers together. So that option is called JBL Connect. And the mic is there in this built-in mic. You can take calls. You can use voice assistants like Google voice assistants, Apple Siri and Gemini. All those things you can use. Alright, without wasting any time, let me connect this and show you the audio quality. This produces monster sound. I'm going to connect this using big speakers, so don't skip the video, just watch it. So I'm going to connect. These are the two control boards. So this is the main control board. This is the flex cable here. Very simple connections. That's it. This is one control board and this is another control board. So first I'm going to connect the main control board to turn on and turn off the speaker, and JBL Connect option is there in that control board itself, and battery indicators are there. So this is connected. Now this is volume up down, Bluetooth, play pause button. 4 buttons are there in this, so that I am going to connect here, showing you in close up. So 2 control boards are already connected now. So this is the charging the Bluetooth speaker itself, and this has auxiliary input. So this has only one wire that will directly go to this junction. So this is connected now, and this is the mic which you don't get in the JBL Flip 3 Essential and Stealth Edition. So I'm going to connect the mic here as well. And actually this has the auxiliary input. This is the input. So I'm going to connect that here as well. You just please wait to listen the audio quality. This is wonderful, and these are the few rubber paddings. If you want, you can use it. This is for main control board, like this. If you want, you can use it. Will come with this. So this is the on off, all those things you can do in this. And this is one more thing, you can use this as well. So alright, now everything is connected. Finally I'm going to connect the battery. This is the heavy battery I have used here. So this is directly you can insert here. That's it. So everything will be working. You can see speaker is already started once we insert the battery. So without speaker you may not listen the song. So I'm going to turn off this as of now, and I'm going to connect the big speaker. So I'm going to show you the speaker here. So you just see the speakers which I'm going to show you a demo. This is a big monster speaker I'm going to connect. So this is a dynamic speaker system. Impedance is 4 ohms. So I'm going to connect this JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers motherboard to directly to these speakers. So you just listen the audio quality. So I'm going to connect this to the plus. Blue will go to plus here, and the black will go to this black. This red with black is body of the speaker, so no need to worry. You can leave this like that only. So this one will go directly to the speaker. So I'm going to show you. So blue is plus and black is minus. Similarly, I'm going to connect the other side, other channel here as well. So blue is black with white will go to blue. This is positive of the speaker, and the complete black will go to the complete black here. This is negative again. So this should not touch each other. So this is the red with wire. This is the body of the speaker driver. So need not worry, you can leave like this. This should not short. So alright, everything is fine now. Everything is connected. Only we have to connect this wire here to the speaker. So I'm going to connect that here as well. Plus will go to, blue will go to plus, and the black will go to minus here. So I'm going to turn the speaker this side. Just listen the audio quality. This is awesome actually. Alright, I have forget this BT antenna of the speaker, so I'm going to connect that. So that's it, everything is connected now. Now it's time to turn on the speaker here. This is the power on button. So the sound, the bass, everything is monster. The actual Flip 3 doesn't give this much of bass. So alright, so now I am going to press the Bluetooth button here. So it is in the pairing mode. So you can see blue light is blinking here. That means it is in pairing mode. So you can see Flip 3 has been listed here in the page. So I'm just clicking it. So put your earphones or headphones and you can listen the audio quality. This is monster here. So let me play the song.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So look at that, this is monster sound. This is producing very heavy sound here. It is producing like something boombox of the JBL. That big sound is coming. You may not be able to identify it using your earphones or headphones, but directly here physically present, the sound is monstrous. This is producing better than JBL Extreme and JBL boombox. So much of bass. That is because of the speakers here. This is big drivers, 4 inches drivers with tweeters. So this has tweeters as well. So two stereo-way, two-way, this is two-way and stereo speakers. So if you would like to buy this JBL Flip 3 package, you can directly message to this number and you can ping me for the prices. So this is what you are going to get in this is like, this is JBL Flip 3 motherboard. Then you will get this battery, then two control boards, these two control boards with 2 flux cables, and this is charging for the speaker itself and auxiliary input. This has wires, and there is Bluetooth antenna here. This is the Bluetooth antenna you are going to get, and this is the mic. You can take the calls here as well. So this is the mic. This is the full version of JBL Flip 3. So you are going to get mic with this. This is not stealth edition, not essential. This is full version, again I am telling. So these are the things you are going to get. These are the wires. From this you can directly connect to your speakers. So these two speakers are not included. So this is the package what I have shown now. So if you would like to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number here. Price I will give it in the title and description hopefully, or else you just do message to my WhatsApp number. I will give the prices. And this is shipping is available all over India. There is no cash on delivery. Full advance payment is required. Then it will be shipped using India Post Speed Post to your address. Receipt will be shared to your WhatsApp number. That receipt will have tracking number. You can track that. You can track the shipment using India Post website. So this is the small quick demo of JBL Flip 3 DIY. If you would like to do this by yourself, you can buy this package. You are going to get what I have said already in this video. So I will list in the description what you are going to get. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. There are so many videos uploaded in the AudioViz 360 channel. Please go through it. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.